How to add an admin in your Meta Business Suite on Facebook or Meta. So first open up your browser and head to facebook.com and then make sure you're signed into your account. Now you want to select your page or portfolio. So click on the portfolio or profile logo on the top right hand side, and then click on see all profiles and simply select your page from here. Then it should load up this page. Now you want to click on the profile and go to the actual page profile. And from the left side, you want to click on Meta Business Suite like this. Now from the drop down on the top left right here, you want to click on it and select the business portfolio or the asset that you want to invite an admin to. And then click on the business settings icon on the right side. Now under users section here, you should click on people. And here you should see all the people you've invited to your business portfolio or asset. Now to invite people, you can click on this blue button to invite, and you can simply enter their email address. Now after entering the email address, you can also give them temporary access if you want to. If you check this, which will give the user temporary access until this date specified here, and then it expires. But I'm going to leave this off and click on next. Now you can choose the assigned access to that person. You can give them specific control for apps and integrations, or you can give them full control for admin access to everything. And now you'll need to press next and then select the business or assets that you need this person to manage. So for example, your business portfolio and your Facebook page for this one, and potentially your ad accounts, and then click on confirm selection. And from here you can select the permissions that you want to give to this person. So for example, partial access for business tools only, you can check these right here. You can also give partial access to business tools on Facebook for the content, messages, and stuff like that. Or you can give them full control for everything, which is admin access. Also partial access for your ad account, or full control access to manage ad accounts as a admin. And then you want to click on next, and then you can review everything in this page right here. So it will tell you that this person will have full control over everything. And if you agree with this and you see everything is fine, you can proceed to click on send invitation to this person. And once the person accepts the invitation, they will be granted full control access to your business portfolio or assets, including anything you've selected like ad accounts, Instagram accounts, and such things. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.